Hi everybody, it's me, a teacher. So basically one of my colleagues asked me how do I upload things onto the D6 platform. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to show you how you are able to upload these things yourself, so I won't need to do all of the work. So firstly, you need to go, let me go here, Google. Of course, you will already be on Google, so don't worry about that. And then in your search bar, you say D6 admin. Then you say login. You will have, let me just log out here. But basically, you'll have a username and a password. So I'm logging out. So my username is Sniff. My password, I can't see it. Login. Okay. Then you need to select this thing here that says resources, and you say add resource. I got this minister letter thing that I'm supposed to upload, so let's just call it WCD free resources. You can type your own description, but I just tend to copy and paste. You select your category. I guess this can go under general, and then you choose your file. So it would be under downloads. What was it called? WCD. Where are you? There it is. Okay. I'm gonna select it for all because everybody is there, and then you just click submit. Okay, so if you don't have a username and password, you can just send me a WhatsApp or email, and I can set one up for you. Of course, this is only for my colleagues that are at Portland, who should be the only people with this link. Alright, thank you, and that's that.